Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Correct answer option B. Masaki Kashiwara. Who has been named the recipient of the 59th Jnanpith Award in 2025 for his contribution to Hindi literature? Correct answer option C. Vinod Kumar Shukla. Which Indian-American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer option B. Chandrika Tandon. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer option C. Liu Jiakun. Who was honored with the Paulie Umridhar Award at the BCCI? Correct answer option C. Jasprit Bumrah. Who won the C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer option B. Sachin Tendulkar. Which film won Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer option B. Anora. Who won the Best Director Award for his film Anora at the 2025 Academy Awards? Correct answer option B. Sean Baker. Who won the Best Actor Award at the Oscars Awards 2025? Correct answer option A. Adrienne Brody. Who won the Best Actress Award at the Oscars Awards 2025? Correct answer option C. Mikey Madison. Who has been awarded the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer option B. Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. Who received the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom, in 2025? Correct answer option A. Narendra Modi. Who became the first Indian to receive Mauritius' highest civilian honor? Correct answer option A. Narendra Modi. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman 2024 in 2025? Correct answer option C. Bhadresh Das Swami. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for Wetland Wise Use? Correct answer option C. Jayashri Venkatesan. Christine Kangalu, who received the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award 2025, he is president of which country? Correct answer option A. Trinidad and Tobago. Who won the Best Actor Award at the IIFA Awards 2025? Correct answer option C. Karthik Aryan. Who won the Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for pioneering research on flood risk? Correct answer option B. Gunter Bloch. Which film won Best Motion Picture, Drama at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer option A. The Brutalist. Who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Stability? Correct answer option A. Dalai Lama. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for Hindi? Correct answer option A. Gagan Gill. Who received the Digital Transformation Award 2025 in March 2025? Correct answer option A. RBI. Who was awarded the Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award 2025? Correct answer option B. R.K. Sriram Kumar. Who received the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the UK government? Correct answer option B. Chiranjeevi. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer option B. 7. Who won the International Booker Prize 2024? Correct answer option A. Jenny Erpenbeck. Who is the only Indian woman named in Times Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer option A. Purnima Devi Burman. In which field was L. Subramaniam awarded the Padma Vibhushan 2025? Correct answer option B. Art. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital? Correct answer option B. Samantha Harvey. Which airport won the Airport Service Quality Award for Best Airport in Asia Pacific region for the 7th time? Correct answer option C. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Who received the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025, Hindi category? Correct answer option D. Mridulika Jha. Who won Best Men's Hockey Player of the Year at Hockey India Awards 2024? Correct answer option A. Harmanpreet Singh. Who became the first footballer to receive the American Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer option A. Lionel Messi. Who was honored in Lifetime Achievement category of UNEP Champions of Earth Award 2024? Correct answer option B. Madhav Gadgil. Who won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Physiology or Medicine? Correct answer option C. Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruvkun. Pishego Gele, the first black woman crowned Mrs. World 2025, belongs to which country? Correct answer option C. South Africa. Who won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Physics? Correct answer option B. John J. Hopfield and Jeffrey Hinton. Who was awarded the Nobel Prize 2024 in Chemistry? Correct answer option C. David Baker, Demis Hassabis and John M. Jumper. Who won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Literature? Correct answer option C. Ha Kang. Who won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Economics? Correct answer option B. Darren Acemoglu, Simon Johnson and James A. Robinson. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize 2024? Correct answer option A. Nihan Hiding. Who was awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year 2024? Correct answer option A. Novak Djokovic. Who received the Rohini Nair Prize 2024 for promoting STEM education in rural India? Correct answer option A. Anil Pradhan. Who won the title of 73rd Miss Universe 2024? Correct answer option B. Victoria Gzerthilwig. Who was honored with the 34th Vyas Samman? Correct answer option B. Suryabala. Miyazaki of which country was honored with the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2024? Correct answer option C. Japan. Who received the Sahitya Akademi Translation Award 2024 in the English language category? Correct answer option C. Anisur Rahman. Who has been selected for the 59th Jnanpith Award? Correct answer option C. Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who has recently been honored with the Maharashtra Bhushan Award? Correct answer option C. Ram V. Sutar. The Ramnath Goenka Award is given in which field? Correct answer option B. Journalism. Who has been honored with the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer option B. Gayatri Chakravarti. Which country honored Prime Minister Modi with the Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key of the Indian Ocean? Correct answer option C. Mauritius. Which country honored PM Modi with the Honorary Order of Freedom of Barbados? Correct answer option C. Barbados. Which film won Best Picture at the BAFTA Film Awards? Correct answer option C. Conclave. Who has recently been awarded the Global Teacher Prize? Correct answer option C. Mansoor Al-Mansoor. Who became the first black woman to win the title of Mrs. World 2025? Correct answer option C. Pishego Gele. Which song won the Album of the Year award at the Grammy Awards 2025? Solution B. Cowboy Carter. Which state won first prize for its tableau in the Republic Day Parade 2025? Correct answer option B. Uttar Pradesh. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar 2024 in the institutional category? Correct answer option C. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. Who became the first male football player to receive the US Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer option C. Lionel Messi. Which film won the Best Picture award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards? Correct answer option C. The Brutalist. Who was honored with the Padmapani Lifetime Achievement Award? Correct answer option C. Sai Paranjape. Who has been honored with the Gangadhar National Award? Correct answer option C. Pratibha Satpathy. How many players were awarded the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2024? Correct answer option C. 4.